13 million passengers travel every day by trains in India. Trains are commonly used for long distance travel. A huge amount of revenue is generated by the Indian Railways for the Government of India. Indian Railways runs around 11,000 trains every day. Security of railway passengers is at present a shared responsibility of Railway Protection Force and the Government Reserve Police. Too much concern is the security at the level crossings, for which provision of telephone and approach operated warning devices is available. But all these efforts are vague and insufficient. According to Railway Ministry data, maximum number of deaths take place near level crossings. There are around 31,000 such crossings across the country, out of which approximately 12,500 are unmanned. Railway Ministry states that up to year 2017, all the unmanned level crossings will be manned, out of which 109 are identified to be built with low subways. Now, taking a look at the level crossings which are properly built with barriers. Most of the people just do not spare time for waiting at the level crossings. So, they simply pass the crossings while the gates are closed.
फाटक ਅੱਧਾ ਘੰਟਾ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਬੰਦ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਗੱਡੀ ਕਰਤਾਰਪੁਰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਫਾਟਕ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਇੰਨਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਇੱਥੇ ਖੜ ਸਕਣ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਲੋਕੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਾਨ ਦੇ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਪਰਵਾਹ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਹੀ ਨੀਚੋਂ ਫਾਟਕ ਕ੍ਰਾਸ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ
People find it very easy to cross a barrier at railway crossing due to a slim chance of being caught, as police officials are occasionally present to control the traffic at railway crossings. Though it is a responsibility of every citizen to abide by the rules of Railway Authority of India. People do not pay attention that their life and safety is much more important than time.
फाटक बंद है, ट्रेन आने वाली है, आपने फिर भी क्रॉस किया, क्या रीजन है?
जल्दी थी मैडम।
यहाँ जो टांडा रोड फाटक है ना, यहाँ बहुत गाड़ियाँ आती हैं जाती हैं और सारा दिन रश रहता है बहुत ज़्यादा। जहाँ देखो लाइनें लगी हुई तो बहुत लंबी लंबी लाइन लग जाती है वहाँ तक। कई लोग ना गाड़ी जहाँ फाटक में खड़ती है, यहाँ फाटक के ऊपर गाड़ी के बीच में से लोग गुजरते हैं।
Media channels and newspapers carry a lot of stories every day projecting the vehicles and people being hit by trains. But still, the problem persists and is a very serious one.
ट्रेन आने वाली है, रुकने में कोई 10-15 मिनट में कोई हर्ज नहीं है। कोई भी काम 5-10 मिनट लेट करना चाहिए है, मगर अपनी जान का ध्यान रखना चाहिए।
According to Railway Ministry, an average of 14,000 people are killed in trespassing per year. That means 39 deaths every day. For avoiding such fatal accidents, rules by railways should be strictly followed by people, and flyovers and subways can be constructed at busy railway lines passing through big cities.
ਤੇ ਸਿਰਫ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਵਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਫਾਟਕ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਫਲਾਈਓਵਰ ਬਣਾਏ ਜਾਣ ਜਾਂ ਅੰਡਰਬ੍ਰਿਜ ਬਣਾਏ ਜਾਣ ਕਿ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਜਾਨ ਦੀ ਸੇਫਟੀ ਹੋ ਸਕੇ
Indian Railways is popularly known as lifeline of the nation. But fatal accidents at railway crossings negate its credibility. Railways are for common people, but when such people break the rules, they forget that someone somewhere is waiting for them to return safely.